Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen, and with your Mr. and Mrs. President, I hope that you will find. Today, the topic of speech is the role of youth in fight against corruption. Dear, this is not only a speech. This is not only a debate contest. This is the whole story. This is a story of a destruction of a nation. This is a story of a demonstration towards integrity and leadership. This is a story of corruption, and corruption. Mr. President, it is the duty of you to fight against corruption, to fight against the discipline, because they are the leader of tomorrow. To your honor, sitting through audience, corruption gives rise to inequality, injustice, inconsistently at all level of administration. Corruption can be a form of gift, corruption can be a form of money, corruption can be any form. They have a part because of their African society, human behavior, human literature, human culture, and everything. Your honor, in Pakistan, corruption is the biggest problem that our society faces today. Corruption can be affect every part of our life, our rules, our regulations, our culture, and our traditions, and even our justice. A Joy Biden says, Mr. President and Mrs. President, I think Joy Biden says corruption is like a cancer. Corruption is like a cancer that eats away at the faith in democracy, diminishes the intrinsic innovation and creativity. Sitting through audience, I can say more about corruption. What is corruption? What is corruption? And how is reasoning behind the corruption? And how we can eradicate corruption? The reasoning behind the corruption are illiteracy, poor economic infrastructure, unemployment, and lack of faith in our society. Mr. President, I can serve myself.